Welcome to Spirit Shack. These are our Walkie Talkies. Yeah, they're only fairly basic, but they work really well and can travel a couple of miles. So basically, we recommend these if you're. Well, we never recommend ghost hunting on your own ever. We always recommend taking at least one other person with you. And if there's only two, I'd recommend you stay together. If you've got four or more and you do split up into groups, we would still also recommend using walkie-talkies, especially if it's abandoned buildings where floors are dangerous, roofs are falling in. If anyone gets injured, this could save someone's life. So we really do recommend it for any location that's dangerous or remote. It's also handy if you are working in groups, just for communicating. It's quicker than making a phone call and doesn't cost anything. So yeah, really handy to have for ghost hunters. So it comes as a pair. Each takes 4 AAA batteries. It's got a little clip to fasten on your belt. Really simple to use. Just press and hold the power button. You press this up or down buttons, which changes the number on screen to tell you which station it is. And then basically you just press and hold that to talk. Let go. Then you press and hold theirs to talk. It's simple as that. Yeah, they do have some more advanced functions, which there's no need for us to go into. You don't need all the fancy stuff for ghost hunting purposes. The only other important thing is the backlight for the screen. If you're working in the dark, you can press the backlight so it stays backlit. If you want to know more about the features and the frequencies and things, you can check out the product on our website. I'll leave a link to that in the video description. Thanks for watching.